crashed the wedding.
Sabi
The bed gets home by one.
The oldest part of the building.
Hoy, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my buntag. Hoy, manglaag day ta karon mo. At tumiog, where are we going, Jaden? Wa siya kabalo asa ng mga. But we're going to Bruges.
We're going to
Yes. Kay maglaag-laag mi nito, day tour lang mi unya. Dili mo ko yung si Dominic sa Adina kay, you know. Pareho ra daw Belgium. Pero karon maghimo sa ko kanang breakfast nila Jaden og ni Kian.
Kian, my best friend.
Oh, Miss Jaden.
We want this money.
Yes. Time check. Kung saan ba yung oras karon? Time check. 6:55 na, no? Tapos, our target mo na ka, 7:30.
Kian don't have the eggs.
So, magpanit lang tayo. You want kiwi, right, Jaden? Uy, buyers, you want kiwi, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's the sicker.
So, karon nagkaon ng mga bagets. Aba, kaya mga bata. Salamat sa mga sabaan na bata, Lord. So, karon magbaon mig mga snacks. Uy, lami kayo ni. Wala dyan siya salt. Tabang siya, pero lami. Grabe ka crispy. Tapos, giprito siya kukuan ka ng avocado oil. The best kay siya. Ganun, di mi. Naka-sale magod gahapon sa US base. So, gipalit na mo. That's my favorite. Tapos kay Kian. Unya, kay Jaden, gamis o kanang isa ka egg. So, kaninang amo ang baunon kay doon ramang good. Just in case lang ba, nabilig na yung mga bata. So, kailangan na ay snacks. Unya, ngit-ngit, no? I-check na ko ang diaper bag sa mga bagets. Kay base na ay kulang. Ngit-ngit din siya. Yeah. Tulog pa sila Alina o si Dominic. Pull up si Jaden just in case. Kailangan diaper. Extra clothes ni Kian. Okay na niya. Pang winter pa dyan ang extra clothes. Dire kaya wala ko nagamit. Lahira dyan no. Pagkainahan na ka kay. Gina-check na dyan ni mo. Tanan. Di pareha itong dalaga pataba na. Ato ang sarili lang ati manon. Pero karon, lahi na yung mga bagets. Hurry up, okay? Namaskig doon lang mi. Among biyahe dahil no, mga 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, i-update mo niya mga labs kung makalakaw nami kay ati manon sa nako ang mga ginagmay diri sa balay. Para hapsay pag makauli. Makabalik. So, karon padulong namin no, among biyahe is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Saba ni ko doon? Hi po.
Hi,
So, kami lang dyan naglakaw, no? Unya, medyo gloomy karon no? Hopefully, it will be sunny later, babe.
Hopefully.
So, my husband didn't have a great sleep last night because someone woke up super early, like 4 a.m.
Not my fault.
Whose fault?
Get those kids out my bed and we'll be alright.
Babe, who decided to bring Jaden back to our room?
That was you. You and Jaden.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Pagpuyod. So, it was my husband's decision. Yung ano, mingawon siyang Jaden. Mingawon siyang Jaden sa maong duha ang kwarto ni Jaden karon. Amo ang kwarto o iyang kwarto. Yes, baby.
He just got my phone. You see this.
Okay.
You have your phone, you can.
Yes, okay. So, pag nap time, si Jaden kay sa iyahang kwarto magnap. Pero pag gabi, sa amo ang matulog. Kaya nga no, mingawon akong panabels. Maluoy siya maghilak si Jaden. Okay. Uy, kasi siya tapot. So, bitaw ay maglaag-laag ta karon no. Actually, kanang day tour lang jud ni siya. Unya, gusto lang mi makatay. What are we going to try there, babe? The Bruges? What is it? What
There's
bread
like
is that?
different breads. It's like a sugar brioche is what it's called.
Uh-huh. And they're waffle too, right?
I don't know about the waffles, but they got all types of food out there.
Yeah.
I
What?
only know about the one that I told you about.
Okay. So, maura to amo ang plano jud magkaon ra dito ginagmay. Kay nindot magud ang weather daw. So, lubos-luboso na mo kay ngano pag winter na pud no, grabe na pud. makasad na pud ang weather di pag winter. So pag spring ug summer, lubos-luboson jud na mo. So mga loves, mag-update ra ko niya pag moabot na ta dito no kay magbiyahe-biyahe sa mi. Ay, abi ninyo, excited kami ha? Yes. Hi, so abot na jud mi. Pero na may problema. Wala may stroller. Kabalo mo duha mong stroller, travel stroller o double stroller para sa mga bagets. Unya, nalimtan sa akong bana, someone forgot to bring the stroller. So nagbayad lang mi og kuan, parking space. So wala may stroller karon no. Maglakaw si Kian. Yes.
What is he getting?
Now we're gonna pay our parking.
Hey, I parking?
No, it's just like
I don't
2
want
hours?
to go to the park.
2 hours and we're leaving.
yeah. Kaya nga no, di mi magdugay diri kay wa mi stroller, magbakta si Kian. Hay nako. Because someone forgot the stroller.
2 of us forgot the stroller.
Ay kami di ay. Kalimot mi sa stroller, ambot na lang jud. Grabe na jud niya tong pagkalimtano no. But we jump. Uy, good job.
Good job.
So abi na mo no na spring na jud kaayo. Mao ka lang light lang kaya mong kipang suot may gani. Nagdala kog warm clothes ni Kian. Kay medyo tugnaw diri. Hangin unya dili pa jud sunny. So wa mi mahimo no kundi laban gihapon. Kay mo na kay laagan man. Ha?
11:30.
Ah, okay. Did you get like can you take a picture of that? Oh wait. Ano na lang. Like a dress.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. Let's go. Maglaag ta ninyo. Uy, gwapo kayo. Oh. Look at that. What are we getting, babe?
The sugar brioche.
Oh my god, that looks so good. That sandwich, salmon sandwich. Uy, grabe jud no kuan siya kanang tawag kani oy. Sayo pag kaayo. Open na lang restaurant tas nani naginom og beer. Mga tamig bench kay diri may mga aon. Look at that.
Before you,
Uy, katawanan ka. Yung mga to tami din sa nindot kay na church, no? What happened, babe?
we crashed the wedding.
So, abi na mag-oy ni open na, okay na. Susuy, wala may kabalo no na naday wedding. Ay, amot ba sinapil mig picture-picture ato. And someone is like taking a picture of them. I think. Naunsa man ni oy. So, grabe nun, daghan na jud kay tao karon. Ni daghan nag tao pero ana siya pag alauna na daw open to the public na daw pero pag morning until noon puro na wedding dira. Nindot na kaayo. Pero sige lang, okay lang. Sunod na pod kay do naman po diri. Oy, grabe gi kapoy na akong kinugos. Umba na pag gikapoy na. Ay nako Kian tagam. In town si Jaden. Ay si Jaden si Kian. Yeah. Oy, grabe. Napuday sila yung mga kuan dire, mga tinda, no? Pero mostly kay mga sinina ilang mga tinda. Na makita lang ako sa Shein. Unya kay ni daghan-daghan na jud ang tao. Happy kay mino kay nagsayo jud kay mi ganina. Karon daghan nag tao. Especially kay Sabado karon niya agahapon kay Labor Day dire ay di siya Labor Day basta holiday dire sa Belgium. So murag long weekend dire. Mong daghan jud siyang tao karon. What did you say?
It's the best biggest hole by
The
wow.
oldest parts of the building date from the 12th century.
Talking about
Yeah. Yummy? Hey, grabe. How was it, babe? Tired?
I can do this again all day.
No, I mean, it was... Maybe it was like... Perfect unta siya if we have stroller.
I thought it was great without it. You know what? It added to the experience.
Kian was like heavy.
Yeah.
We got here at 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 hours mi nag-walking. Pati si Jaden. Jaden was just walking, right? Jaden, good job today.
That's why he's so tired.
Huh?
That's why he's so tired.
Yeah. Oy, grabe, the best. What's the best part of your experience here?
Everything was great. It's a,
Just choose
It's a
one.
beautiful city. I don't have to choose one. It's a beautiful city. Things were great. I love it. The boat ride was great.
Yes, the boat ride.
That's what she really wanted me to say, you guys. That's why she wanted me to pick one. The boat ride was really cool.
We love the boat ride, Jud ay. Unya, we paid 40 euros, right? For 4 of us. Yeah, 40 euros. Mga yun, ana. Mga siguro na, ambot pila na sa peso. So, nindo jud kay siya, no. Must try jud ang kanang boat ride
If
dire
my mom
kay.
was here, she would have had me stop so she could take their picture for me.
So, anyways, mga labs, gikapoy, jud ko. Sakit akong backpack. Eh, grabe jud ay. Pero, ingon ani jud mi, pag mag-travel gani mi, best in backtas jud mi. Pero, abi ninyo, pinakaganahan ako na city jud sa Belgium is Ghent, then Brussels. But now, Bruges is number 1.
I think Bruges is number 1.
Yes.
This is a cool city.
This is bigger than Ghent, pero daghan siyang mabuhat jud diri sa Bruges ay nindot jud siya kaayo ganahan kay ko. So karon kay Bruges, Ghent o Brussels na akong ganahan. So yes mga labs, thank you jud kaayo sa iyong pag-uban-uban sa ato ang laag karon. So ayaw kalimot og follow sa among TikTok o Facebook account, Blasian Fam.
This area reminds me of Amsterdam.
Yeah. And ayaw kalimot og subscribe sa amo ang YouTube channel. Unya paki-like pud ani na video og share. So sa sunod na pud natong laag mga labs ubanon na pud ta mo. So salamat sa pagtan-aw. Bye. Kiss.
Ma.